Alright, before we get into any testing, we should first review what you should know and what you're going to need in order to follow along with this course. Let's start with what basic programming and web development knowledge you should have. For this course, you should be able to read and write basic HTML, CSS, and PHP. You should also know how to read and write object-oriented PHP, and you should have basic working knowledge on how to access your computer's terminal or command line. Now, if you're unsure about any of these topics, browse around here at Tuts Plus, and I'm sure you can find some courses to help you get up to speed. Then come back here when you're ready. Now let's move on to what you'll need to have installed. For this course, you'll need to have PHP installed, preferably a recent version. I'm using PHP version 5.5. You'll also need a working local development server to test your code, like Apache. Now, if you're using PHP version 5.4 or greater, you can also use the built-in PHP server. You'll need access to your terminal or command line. If you don't know how to access these programs, a quick Google search will point you in the right direction. Since I'm on a Mac, I'm going to be using my terminal. You'll also need a text editor or IDE of some sort to edit your PHP files. I'll be using Sublime Text. And now lastly, you'll need your favorite browser. For this course, I'm going to be using Firefox, but you can use whatever you'd like. All right, so that's it. Not much is required to follow along. Next up, we'll learn what PHP testing is and why it's so important. I'll see you there.